Hey everybody, this is Coach Cross. We're on week number 3 for our online Phi Ed class. Just trying to make sure everybody's kind of on the same page with what's going on here. So first of all, those of you who have submitted your workout, especially your 30-minute challenge, I should say, for the second week, great job. You have until tomorrow at 7 a.m. to get that turned in. And then today at noon, which is about 30 minutes from now, week 3 will open up, and you'll be able to view this screencast. Plus, you'll have some activities that you have to do. This is the last week of the 30-minute challenges, and then the week number 4, we will start working out, and you'll have 4 hours. But we'll get into that on week 4. All right. So, just a couple things. First of all, the 30-minute challenge for this week, pretty easy. You got a 30-minute walk as well. You're going to do a 5-minute walk, and then you're going to do about a 20-minute, well, not about, you're going to do 20-minute jog, which is going to be 2-minute jog, 2 minutes walk. You're going to go back and forth from that. You can use your Polar A360 as a timer. You don't necessarily have to use a phone or whatnot. But again, some of this is going to be pretty easy for you guys, and you're going to have no problem at all. Some of it's going to be a little bit more difficult. Just trying to get you ready for getting your heart rate up there a little bit. But they said that, in this thing, it says the goal is to increase your cardiorespiratory level, but ideally you should be doing this workout about 3 times this week. That is ideal. We're only going to require you to do it once. It's probably going to be about a 2 to 3 mile length for the workout, but it should take you about 30 minutes, and then sync it to the computer or your phone, and then make sure you're getting a screenshot in here, and then make sure you're answering these reflective questions here so that I can give you credit for that. And again, check the rubric out, because one of the things the rubric says is, are you answering these questions with more than one word answers? Is there any depth provided? And I want to make sure you have all that. All right, so there's a couple assignments this week. The first one is called the heart rate one, the resting heart rate. And so what you're going to do is you're going to wake up in the morning, and hopefully you have your watch on so you can record in your sleep. But get in a resting pulse rate. So as soon as you wake up, stay there in bed, click on the heart rate, pink button, or maybe it's purple, I should say, and then get that resting heart rate for you 3 days this week, and then give me the average. If you're not going to wear it to bed, then you're going to have to use a stopwatch or a watch with a second hand on it, so that you can take your blood or take your heart rate with your own pulse. And that just asks you to go through this worksheet. Pretty simple. It's asking you about zones and stuff like this. All this information can be found online. You shouldn't have any issue finding that information. So that's the first one. That's the heart rate zones worksheet. And then the last one, or the second one, that the worksheet that you have to do assignment, is actually asking you about the different fitness components that we have. And so we're going to do cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, and the last one is body composition. And again, you can find all this information on the internet. You can find all of it without any problems whatsoever. So make sure you're doing that as well, and that can be submitted. One of the things you notice here, as soon as you click on the box, everything types in red. That's so that I can distinguish between what you wrote and what the questions are. So please don't change that. Make sure that is what you're doing. All right, but again, that kind of completes everything. Everything's got to be done by the 26th of September at 7 o'clock in the morning. Make sure you're getting this stuff into me. People in Elk River, remember, this won't be your logo. There'll be like a red, white, and blue logo. People in Rogers, this will be your logo, this green looking thing. And we should be good to go. All right? Hope you have a great week. If you have questions, email me, but keep rocking and rolling. Thanks. Bye.